who Basilia is as a wife and a mother, etc.
Horrible.
Hi guys.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
It's the New Year Cufflinks Fest!
Tenants in the building.
What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to Stuff from the Cuffs in this brand new year.
And we're still giving you the fire. We're keeping it fun.
Inspirational.
We're keeping it real.
And educational. Welcome to the channel. First of all, welcome to all our new subscribers. We have hit another milestone and we're so grateful to God. Welcome to the Cufflinks family. Happy to have you as part of this growing family. And for those of you who are watching and you're not yet a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And of course, leave us a comment. Happy to have you.
Yeah. And we're looking forward to other milestones this year. Of course, we're grateful for all of you who have been here, all of you who've come on board, all of you who continue to support.
Yes, we love you guys.
We love
you. And we saw the anniversary greetings underneath the post that we made on our community board a few days ago. Thank you so much for all those greetings. Thank you.
Yes, another milestone in our lives as well. 8 years together. For those who want
8
to know
years
how
married,
I put up.
that it is.
Yeah, 8 year, our 8th anniversary.
Yes.
For those who want to know, all the men who want to know how I managed to be one person for 8 years, let me tell you, especially somebody like she.
Well, guess what? It's not one person. You have Sister Gilberta. You have what do you call other characters?
Even make it
Bubbles
worse.
in the building.
How do I cope with all of these persons? It's like one happen every year.
Don't listen to him. He manages, as you can see. He manages. So thank you so much for all the greetings, guys. So it's a brand new year, and I know because some persons messaged me to find out how it is that they did not see a Christmas vlog.
Yep, and also we have not been posting since the year has started. So this is the first time since 2022. We've not spoken about our 2021 or our hopes for 2022, but we've been busy and...
Yes. So, firstly, regarding the Christmas vlog, because, we're always showing you the cookings and the yammings and all of that, we actually spent most of that day at the hospital.
We had a COVID Christmas, so to speak.
A COVID scare Christmas for us. We thought that we had COVID, that it was Brian and the girls, because I wasn't sick at all.
Something wrong with her. I mean, something's right with her. Something was wrong with us.
Yeah, something was wrong with them. And, once you start seeing like flu-like symptoms, you really want to get it checked out.
And guys, the fever was wicked, the nausea, the pains. I haven't felt joint pains like that for a while. So, we were really concerned. And then we saw the same symptoms manifesting in Bella. And then
a few days later.
So we went to the hospital and got it checked out.
We all got tested, came back negative. We actually got tested twice just to make sure.
Have any of you ever done the COVID test?
Oh God, guys.
I have a shot. I'm going to show you that shot.
When Brian was getting his own Simlipia.
Guys, my eyes
gosh.
water. No matter how I was trying to hold it, I felt like they were literally in my cavities.
Yeah, all the way up. I was chuckling because it felt like they were tickling me, to be honest. And because I've been through childbirth and they had to push something up my nose, so it wasn't that bad for me because I've experienced something similar.
Well, I used to clean out my nose, so
With something so long?
I'm joking.
Yeah. Well, we had a scare, meaning that we thought that was what we had, but it wasn't, thank God.
You see, if the COVID test was done by your ears, Jamaicans would line up. You never get that thin piece of bush and you push your ears. If it was in your ears, oh my God, we would rush to do our COVID test.
Thank you for that idea.
Yeah.
I'm going to do it in something. Yes. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, that's actually how we spent our Christmas day. And because the hospital was the only place that was open with full services for COVID testing, that's why we ended up there. We didn't get home till like after 4 in the afternoon. So, no cookings, no nothing. Yeah. Thank God for Blue Anchor. Yeah. We had a Blue Anchor Christmas, and this was pre-planned in terms of them providing stuff for us, and thank God they did, because we didn't cook and all of that, but it wasn't
so what grateful. We were used to. It put a lull on things. Even the girls getting their presents, they were well, Bella in particular, Bella wasn't half-hearted.
Right. She wasn't feeling well that day.
She was happy for the gifts, but you could see that she wasn't really well.
Mm-hmm.
And it really dampened things. And then for a precaution, we took 14 days and isolated. So it was a unique end to our 2021 and start to our 2022. But we're back and we're up.
Yes.
We're gunning.
And thank God we didn't have COVID, but they say that there's a bad flu or cold or something going around. So maybe that was it. I don't know. But we took the holiday period to just make sure that all was well, and we're ready for 2022.
Yeah, but firstly, I want to just highlight a couple things from 2021 that stood out for me and that I'm really grateful for. And I'm just going to choose two of them. I'm really grateful for the time I was able to spend with my family. Some of you would have noticed our last videos, our in-laws were here, and we were able to reconnect on a different level, and I really, really appreciate that, because no matter what you want to say, you may have 1,000,001 different things that you've achieved for the year, but if you don't have the right people to spend it with, to spend the time with, if you're all alone, trust me, you're going to be miserable.
That's true. So that's one for you. One for me was, and still is, definitely how things have taken a turn for me social media. TikTok growth, my endorsements, my brand deals, my new path of being a social media influencer, etc. It has really just happened so quickly, and I'm just so grateful to God for the opportunities. I'm so grateful to God for Yummy and Woman's Touch and all the companies who have trusted me with their brands and have just wanted me to be in partnership with them to promote their brands. That has been so amazing. So guys, if you are not yet following us on Instagram, please go over and follow us. You'll see all that content over there as it relates to the ads and stuff that I do. And of course on TikTok, Basilia B Cuff, BMC Valiant. And guys, we have a couples TikTok. We just created it. It's like
that was one of the things I wanted to put in the 2022.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So.
Yes. And the name is Stuff from the Cuffs. So we'll be doing couples content there. So persons who...
Listen, let me tell you this straight. It's going to be funny. It's going to be humorous. It's going to be light. It's going to be inspirational. It's going to be family oriented. Yeah. Don't come for me. I'm having fun with my wife. I'm legal. Don't come for me. It's going to be an adult inspirational, yeah. I never say it's gonna be adult themed, but it's gonna. If you ain't mature, don't come over there. Yeah.
Yeah, and persons on TikTok will get to see a different side of me in terms of who Basilia is as a wife and a mother, etc.
Horrible.
Anyways, what's your next thing? I don't even look on you.
I'm just grateful for life. 2021, we lost so many persons. There were two really, really, really close deaths in my family, or our family, but more on my side, and it jolted me. It had an impact on me that I never knew that it would have had, and I'm just really grateful for life today and just to have family still. We were able to have persons come in the midst of the sorrow, We were able to reconnect, and it just reminded me of how time is fleeting and how we have to ensure that we enjoy every minute. Now, I am not the impulsive one. I am not the one who is spontaneous. I am the more calculated one. And, you know, over the years, we've had disagreements about what we should do and what we shouldn't do. But I'm leaning towards, calculated risks still, but I'm leaning towards being more spontaneous and allowing.
Yes, you
know,
have
more
done
of,
well where that is concerned.
Yeah, because time, you don't know, really and truly, you're supposed to plan for the future, but you don't know what that future is going to be, how long it is going to be. So you have to spend time to celebrate and enjoy it.
Yeah, and for me, my second thing from 2021 was really just watching how the girls managed to still blossom in a pandemic. You know, as adults, we often wonder if it only affects us, but I know it affects them as well. But I tell you, children just know how to adapt or to be a child in terms of how they think about things, how they just adjust and adapt. So I've learned so many lessons from them during that period. And I'm so happy that, you know, it was over 2 years since we saw my immediate side of the family, majority of them. And that for me was a huge highlight of 2021. Just having them come back as a surprise and just having them here and just, you know, just so grateful for life, so grateful for family. And as it relates to Yummy, and you would have seen that video, making my first corporate calendar. I've been on calendars before for Love FM and NCU FM, but my first corporate calendar, and the billboards for Yummy are coming out soon, so I'm excited about that.
And for 2022, drum roll, we are expecting a great year.
Amen.
Yeah, we are expecting a positive year.
Yes.
We're expecting a victorious year. We're expecting a year of growth. You know, but one thing I always tell people is that every good that you're expecting, expect opposition. Yeah, there is something that is out there waiting to bring sadness in the midst of your joy.
Yeah.
There is something that is trying to bring heartbreak when you're really in the throes of enjoying life. There's something that is going to try and make you cry when you're laughing. So you have to be, the word that we love to use, thanks to my wife here, deliberate about being victorious, about seeing the successful side of things, about seeing and appreciating all the positives that we are expecting. Our growth on YouTube, our growth on social media, full stop, our growth in the mainstream media platforms, our growth in, you know, our 9 to 5s, because her 9 to 5 different from my 9 to 5. Our growth in our girls, you know, so much. And I don't even know where to start, really. It's not like we've pinpointed something specific, and we've not yet had our meeting and our discussions about how we're going to go about this year, because again, we were set back by a couple of weeks because of the COVID scare. So I guess we have to do another video, probably share not our resolutions but our vision for 2022.
I mean, of course, we're not going to tell you everything, and we're not going to give it all away, because some things are best kept private until, you know, signed and sealed and delivered. But definitely, we will be sharing some more plans for 2022. And for me, it's just building on what we started last year, a lot of what we started last year, building on those, networking, building relationships, partnerships with people. Sterling is coming up, Sterling 2022. So many different things. So it's just a matter of building on what the Lord has started with His help, and just watching Him use our talents to make room for us. I hope to go into television more this year, and do a little bit more in media, mainstream media this year. So that's one of my hopes for this year. But as it relates to much of the other bigger plans, we don't really calculate those yet. But we know what we want, and we're going to go after them full force.
So we have some more exciting vlogs.
Yes.
We have some more fun-filled days. Not to be Friday. We're mixing things up a little bit this year.
Yeah.
We're gonna be having some more motivational talks. Just expect the unexpected.
Yeah.
And we're here for you guys. A lot of you have reach out to us via the different platforms, asking for advice, asking for videos. Feel free. And for those of you who are encouraged to start a YouTube channel, start now.
Yeah, don't delay. You never know where it can take you. All right. So thank you guys again for tuning into another video right here on Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, fun, inspiration. We're real and we're educational. We'll see you in the next video.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light.